best things in life are free. The second best things in life are simple. Simpler Trading's free room is both free and simple. Check out Simpler Stream Week from June 21st to the 23rd for live market analysis right here on YouTube.
Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, June 17th, a quad witching day, and it was a really ugly day without clear action here intraday. But that doesn't change the bigger picture, right? The bigger picture was after letting go of this Voodoo fire line last week, the most important of the Voodoo line levels. We were talking about the fact that letting go of this level likely was going to send us back below the May lows, and we got there. And very potentially, right, when you break a major Voodoo line level, the first place we're going to look to on a break of a fire line is the next tree line down. We got there at the end of this week, Thursday, Friday. And, along the way, we benchmarked progress with the snow line. So when we did gap down last Friday, we spent the day chopping around this lower snow line, but we let go of the snow line. Right? And we gapped down to below the lower snow line. We bumped our head on it. We bumped our head, tried to get through on FOMC day with the power of that FOMC move, but it was rejected and then came down to the tree line. Now, what happens at the tree line will be really important as to what comes next. If we can break this tree line, particularly without getting back above the snow line first, right, bounces into this 3711 skyline, maybe even up to 3750 if it's needed, but as long as we get rejected kind of below 3814 and below the tree line here, that is very bearish so long as we stay below it. So that's what I'm going to watch. Now, look, so long as we hold this tree line, and if we can get above 3814 and start to build some support, that could be constructive, right? We met our first Voodoo target after breaking the fire line. So we really got to watch the action here, see what it does. But this is the important over-under in the level in the area. So that's what I'm going to be watching going forward. Hope you found that useful, and I will see you at the next update. Until then, good trading. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.